Hey guys, it's Jamie Pfeffer, and I'm back with you again today with another Pick a Card reading. In this Pick a Card, we're going to look at what does the universe want to bring in for you. If you'd like to know what's coming in store for you over the next month, stick around. Participating in a Pick a Card reading is very easy. All you need to do is look at the cards in front of you and decide which stack is calling to you. Is it stack A, stack B, or stack C? Take a moment and choose the stack that calls to you. When you're ready, you can skip to the timestamp below to hear your reading. Stack A, let's get into your reading. And if you notice, I have this awesome new towel here and I have a cool filter on because the lighting is super dark where I'm located. Okay, stack A, what is trying to break through into your life? Ooh, and your first card is Apophyllite. Apophyllite is a crystal of spiritual connection, intuition, and vision. So right off the bat, I'm feeling like a deeper spiritual connection is what is trying to break through for you. Your next card is the Green Fairy. Ooh, wonderful. So this one says, a cheeky green fairy on your behalf is appearing here to make you laugh. So right away, I know for me, I'm a medium, and one of the best ways to get comfortable and to raise your vibration is by laughing. So the universe is telling you, allow yourself to laugh more, watch funny movies, do things with people that make you laugh, and it will help you raise your vibration so that you can have the spiritual connection that this other card was talking about. And your last card, perfect. Your last card is Serapis Bay. And Serapis Bay is an ascended master, and it's about ascension. It says, move into your true self. Rise above the darkness. The light is here. So what I'm really hearing with this Serapis Bay card and with all of these cards is that you are experiencing a spiritual ascension. Your third eye chakra and your crown chakra are opening more, and you're going to be experiencing more light coming into your life. As a result, you may be experiencing connection or conversations or communication with higher light beings and your higher power, your higher self, or whatever it is that you connect with. So that is stack A. And they also told you with the fairy that you can use laughter to raise your vibration. So thank you so much to stack A, and I will talk to you guys soon. Moving on to stack B. Welcome stack B, and you will notice that I am using a nice little backdrop for this video. I got this awesome towel from Urban Outfitters that I just loved and thought this will be perfect for my readings. And I also have a filter on today because the lighting is really dark where I am. So this is brightening things up. So what we're looking at is what is trying to break through into your life. And your first card, beautiful. This comes from the Healing Crystals Crystal Card Decks, Crystal Playing Cards. And it's black tourmaline. If you know anything about crystals, you know black tourmaline is a wonderfully grounding and protecting stone. This also has the word calming on it. So what's trying to break through for you is a sense of safety, a sense of protection, and a sense of calm. Your next card is from the fairy deck. Wow. Okay. And so your next card from the fairy deck is peace. Friends and family and those who care, peace is yours today to share. So what's trying to come through for you is a sense of peace and a sense of safety and protection. Your final card, stack B. Wow. Your final card is Isis. Magic manifesting, it says. Your dreams, visions, and goals are becoming reality. Stay focused. So with stack B, I feel like you have done a really good job trying to get more protection in your life. You may have been doing visualizations. You may be using white light, grounding your energy, calling in protection. You may call upon Archangel Michael or other ascended masters or angelic beings to help protect yourself. And I really feel like you've been working on trying to bring in a sense of calm and peace and safety. And what this Isis card is saying is that you are manifesting this. So absolutely do not give up. Awesome. Thank you so much, Stack B. That was amazing. Last but not least, we are now on to Stack C. And you will notice that I am using this awesome tarot towel, palmistry towel that I found. And I'm using a light filter today because it's really dark where I'm located. So what is trying to break into your life? Your first card out from the Healing Crystals Crystal Playing Card deck is Purple Fluorite. And Purple Fluorite, I immediately thought of organization and focus. So we'll have to see what the rest of the cards are, but fluorite to me is always about focus. Fluorite is really good for people that have ADHD or have really high energy. They might have scattered thoughts, or they might be a little bit disorganized, either mentally or in their physical reality, but they tend to be brilliant and they tend to be real visionaries. The next card out, or cards, you guys actually got 2 for the fairy cards. And the first fairy card that you got was Courage, Young Heart. So it seems like courage is trying to break through into your life. And the Courage card says, stand tall, don't let the love decrease. You are a warrior of peace. That's so beautiful. And then your next fairy card is Learn. A little nudge, it's now your turn. Put on your thinking cap, it's time to learn. So I really feel like with the Purple Fluorite followed by the Courage and the Learning card, you're trying to adopt a new habit. And it could be about learning, but it could be about organizing. I feel like maybe you're trying to organize your time better, or you're trying to organize something in your life better. And what these cards are telling you is that you are definitely on the right track. You might actually even be trying to organize ideas that you have for spirituality or spiritually based business. But let's check on your last card and check that out. Wow, awesome. Okay, your last card, and this really pulls it all together. So your last card is Dwal Kul. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but this is an Ascended Master, and he stands for Dharma Unfolding. So it says, remember that you are on a path. Take one step at a time to happiness. So I really think that what you're working on is finding out what your life purpose is, or you might have ideas of what your life purpose is, and now you're trying to get organized, and you're having courage, and you're learning how to stay upon your life path. So your life path, your Dharma, is really trying to break through for you right now. So stay on course where you are. Remember to have courage. Remember that when a baby is learning how to walk, or a toddler, we don't scold them for falling down. We say, oh my gosh, yay, good job. So I really want you to focus on that for yourselves, Stack C. And grab yourself a piece of Purple Fluorite if you feel called. Again, these are from the Healing Crystals Crystal Playing Cards. I love these cards because you can actually play card games with them and then learn about the crystals in the process. So that was your reading, Stack C. And I want to thank everyone for coming today. I'm so grateful. Let me know in the comments below if your reading resonated with you, and I look forward to talking to you again very soon. Bye.